What's going on YouTube? It's ZDB Shoes here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Supreme Spring Summer 19 Week 19 items that I picked up about a week ago, a little over a week ago. And I'm also going to be just kind of talking about the latest sneaker drops and a little bit of news about that. So first off, I just want to start by talking about the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Landmarks that just came out. Super bummed about those. Was not able to pick up a pair because on Thursday, when the reflectives dropped at a random time, I think they dropped like 5 minutes before 10 o'clock or something like that. I was on my computer ready to buy everything like that, but I don't use bots or anything. I tried to cop manually, was not able to cop manually. They are very limited. And I'm not very good at copying, so I did not get a pair. And then come yesterday, Saturday, I'm not able to get a pair yesterday, Saturday, either because I completely slept through. I set alarms and everything, but I think I woke up, forgot about them, and snoozed through them. Completely slept through. I saw that, I did go on YeezySupply.com and Adidas.com, and I didn't figure I would get in, and I didn't end up getting in. I sat on my computer for like 3 or 4 hours. I was too late at that point. I heard people were sitting in there for 4 or 5 hours, and some people actually ended up getting through and getting pairs. But anyway, did not cop either of the landmarks, the reflective or non-reflective, so kind of bummed about that. But as you guys always know, the reflectives are selling for like thousands of dollars, and the non-reflectives I think are going for like maybe 100 over retail. So didn't miss out on much with the non-reflectives, but the reflectives I'm bummed out on. But as I've said, like, those are always harder to get. But anyway, guys, let's get into the actual meat of the video. I'm going to be opening up this Supreme stuff. It's just 2 items that I picked up because it's been a while since I copped Supreme, and I just wanted to slowly get back in the mix of things. But without further ado, let's jump into it, guys. So here we've got our nice Supreme bag with the box logo. Lovely. Always love to see that Supreme bag. Reaching in here. Now the first item I got was one of the running waist bags. And I know a lot of people were kind of like off-put by, like, they didn't want to get these, but I really liked it, and I thought, I actually go running a lot, and I thought I might be able to use it. But I mean, for the real reason I bought these is because I thought that they might, I don't think they're reselling for very much right now, but I think they might go up in the future. And obviously it says Supreme, it's not a box logo, but I really like that logo that it has on there. So I think I'm gonna definitely keep these on ice for a little while, see if it goes up, and if it does, then I'm definitely gonna resell it. If I keep it for a couple months and it's still going for retail on StockX, then I'll just start using it. Like I said, guys, I run all the time. And guys, we have some lovely Supreme stickers. We've got the classic box logo sticker. Got a greetings from Supreme sticker. Pretty dope. This one, I actually don't think I've ever seen this one before, but it's pretty cool. And then the last item that I got was is a pretty interesting item. I thought I just definitely want to get this for decoration. I'm not going to use it. I might resell it, but I think I want to at least get it for decoration if it, if it's not reselling for too much. And that is the Supreme Lure, and I got the Tiger colorway. I thought it was really interesting that the collabs they've been doing recently, like with the Super Soaker and all that other stuff, is just they're kind of branching out and doing all this weird stuff, like with the coffee maker and all that stuff. And I think it's really interesting, and I really like the Daredevil Supreme Lure collab. Like I said, I don't go fishing. Like, I think the last time I've gone fishing was like years ago, and I'm definitely not going to be fishing with this, but I think it would make a really good decoration for like my room or somewhere on my wall. I like how the Supreme box logo is up there with the what is it, Eppinger, made in the USA as well, so really neat. But yeah, I just really like this. I really like this collab, not for the fact that it has any good use or that there's any real practical use out of this item. That, I mean, it does have practical use, but I'm not going to use it. I just like the look of it and biker colorway. So anyway, guys, yeah, what do you guys think about? Did you cop a lot of things? Did you cop more than me? I know the hotter things that were going were the NBA wristbands, and I didn't get one of those just because I wouldn't wear them, and the headbands as well. I don't think I would wear those, and I know those were the best resale items. I wasn't able to, I didn't go for those first. I would have, if I had known like they were gonna resell the best, which I think I'd heard something about that before. I was dumb and I didn't go for those first. I went for I think the first thing I went for was the fishing lures, because those sold out pretty quick as well. But anyway, guys, let me know what you guys picked up. You know, like I said, I haven't picked up Supreme in a while, so let me know what you guys picked up. Let me know, think about the waist bag. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to, if you like my channel, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below with some more videos that you'd like to see. If you like unboxing some more shoes or some more Supreme or anything like that. That'll pretty much end it, guys, and catch you later, guys. Peace.